And I don't want to hold you, and I don't want to kiss you, and I don't want to have you, and I don't want to miss you. You won't flatter yourself or to be a prize on your shelf. But I wait for hours in the rain, even if we'll soon meet again. I never told you this, and I likely never will. There's a blank space inside of me, only you could feel. And if you know who you are, if you know who you are, if you know who you are, please come to me. And I don't want to hold you, I don't wanna squeeze you. And why do I get jealous when somebody teases you? But I know even if this makes me feel blue, there's no way I can be with you. And I feel behind the shadow of doubt, there's no way I can be without. I never told you this, and I probably not will. There's a blank space inside of me, only you could feel. And if you know who you are, if you know who you are, if you know who you are, please come to me. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. You do, oh, 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 oh. 'Cause if you know who you are, if you know who you are, if you know who you are, please come to me.
Took a long time to know what I wanted, and now I do, and I will wait on you. Took a long time to know what I needed, and now it's clear whenever you are near. Forever holding out for you. It took a long time to find what I was looking for, and when it did, it all fit together. It took a long time to see what was in front of me.